Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook only loading. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook only loading, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then here in this page, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, we click clear cache. Then we go to click clear data. And after all that stuff, as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and watching.